February 15th, 2024. A day that starts like any other for an off-duty Detroit police officer takes a shocking turn. While driving his personal vehicle, shots are fired upon him. The officer manages to capture two vital clues: a license plate and a description of the car. Hours later, that same vehicle is spotted by a Michigan state trooper, triggering a high-speed pursuit. What happens next is crazy.
Don't move! Keep your hands up! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move!
Southfield, Michigan. Around 3:30 p.m., Michigan state troopers spotted the suspect's vehicle and initiated a traffic stop.
No further description, hospital rescue.
All right,
But instead of pulling over, the driver hit the gas, triggering a high-speed pursuit.
Yes, sir, we're going to be
southbound Telegraph coming up to Franklin Road. It's for that shooting suspect. Speeds are about 68 miles an hour.
Telegraph in Franklin.
Still southbound Telegraph coming up to 10 miles.
Trying to get away, the suspect blows through two red lights.
over 10 miles.
Telegraph is headed.
It's going to be a four-door gray color Kia with an Indiana. Like a smaller SUV passenger type car. Speeds are around 95.
Where's the 95?
Medium traffic, crossed over corner. Over 9 miles.
Telegraph in.
Dispensers, everybody, thank you for your assistance. Be safe. Keep your dispenser a moment. Up to you. Get back northbound. It's Telegraph, go to 9 miles.
Okay, 1 minute. Ready to check?
Yes, 20, maybe you're ahead of them. He's fine right now.
Alright, I'll call it northbound Telegraph coming up to 9 miles. Speeds about 60. Medium traffic still. So we're going eastbound 9 miles. Check that, still northbound. Still northbound.
10 right there.
Hey, one be advised he's reaching under the driver's seat. Does he want by me? Take 30 up security. You should be 10, 11, 18, 14, and 18.
Alright, still northbound, coming up to 10 miles. Speeds about 80. Coming up to a red light. Heavy traffic coming up.
Northbound 10. It's another place. I'll give you information if there's local from the shooting. Pretty fine, 911 for a status check.
Alright, Phoenix primary, we're through 10 miles. I'll call it up.
Come back up to Lodge. Northbound Lodge.
The one that you posted about car 6. Criminal obstruction with marijuana driving.
Decision maker for 696 miles. Right south. South.
Yeah, he's committed southbound. Speeds over 60. Heavy traffic, medium traffic.
Southbound Lodge. Coming out the Lasser.
Southbound Lasser.
Yeah, stop Lasher. Still southbound Lodge.
Weaving erratically through traffic, the suspect clips a car, causing it to flip over.
Alright, he just crashed out. We got to
Give that time, I believe that's going to be in conjunction with 911's accident.
Crashed out. Somebody stop with that car. Just got an accident. 10 mile. 2 troops are out of that accident. 2 troops are continuing on southbound Lodge.
Southbound Lodge coming up to 10 mile. Speeds are about 100. Still medium traffic.
Still 100 medium traffic. Requesting a 650 car in the boot.
About to get off at 9 mile. No, he stayed. Southbound. Coming up to Southfield Freeway.
Decision maker for the Southfield, took the Southfield. Can you say 40 hour more for Arizona Plain? Southbound, 267. Southbound, in the action. Right.
Speeds are 100, coming up to 8 miles. Got a little bit lighter traffic now. Committed to 8 miles.
Okay.
8 miles.
Let's go call the person that's shooting at her and her mother. Accident at 8 miles. Not to the wrong, but 8 miles. Accident at 8 miles.
Westbound 8.
Westbound 8. Westbound 8. Area for my subject, please. Radio.
So, anybody go to the hospital, man?
Yeah, should be funny.
Come on. South Greenfield, Drew Hessel, going 55 miles an hour. No traffic.
You're trying to 55 miles an hour. You're Fargo and approaching Pembroke. Eastbound Pembroke from Greenview. Speed 40. Eastbound Pembroke coming back up to the south.
Okay.
Field from Pembroke. Speeds are 30, no traffic.
Alright, I'm got position for a ram. You good?
The trooper positions himself for a ram and pit, but disengages due to the high amount of traffic.
Going up to 7 mile.
Approaching 7 miles.
Running a red light at 70 miles per hour, he clearly has no regard for the lives of everyone around him.
Southfield Proper, 7 miles. Heavy traffic. 7 miles southfield. Please, don't know the vehicle. Do not know the reason for that.
Okay, who's up?
Mr. Curtis is in the middle lane. Very heavy traffic.
Thank you. You have to hook up again.
Come out to the option for the Nicholas, and he's taking exiting the Nicholas. Southfield traffic. Come out to the Nicholas light, and coming eastbound the Nicholas, Southfield. Speeds at 30. We have 3 units in the chase. He's coming up to Harlow Street. Speeds are 70. Continuing eastbound with Nichols through Murray Hill. Speeds are 80. Doesn't specify by plan. Alright, coming up to the right at Greenfield, heading southbound to Greenfield. Speeds are 55. Traffic is medium. Southbound Greenfield, New Grove. Speeds are 65. Traffic is light.
He's reaching around quite a bit. Just put on his hood. We're reaching around.
Come out to the line at Puritan. Through line at Puritan, just southbound Greenfield.
Very close to 31st.
Traffic light, 75 miles an hour.
Blowing through another red light, the suspect comes within inches of T-boning a car, narrowly avoiding a catastrophic collision.
Committing westbound Franklin from Greenfield. Speeds are 25. Back up in the Mansfield. Speeds are 73. Traffic is late. 47 Southfield and Franklin. So now 3 units in the chase. Come out to head back towards Southfield again. Vehicle.
He did a minor collision and been going for a Gilchrist.
Gilchrist. Come out to the Southfield. Speeds are 65.
Do we have a unit to fix over?
Alright, northbound Southfield to Sample. Speeds are 25. Just gonna pull, but cut you together. Coming to a stop. Successful cut.
Hands up! You move, I'm gonna kill you! Don't move! Keep your hands up! No! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Someone break out the window.
Let me see your hands! Keep your hands up! Keep your
Break out the driver window. Break out driver window. Break out driver window. Driver window. Driver window. I got him. Break it out. Thank you.
Now wait!
Good. Cover. Cover. You both just fucking in.
I'm scared! Don't shoot me!
All right, he's coming out. Your hands over here.
Go!
All right.
guns. I got guns.
All right. More hands right here. Right in front of my car. Right in front of my car. Hands in front of my car. I need hands in front of my car. Come around front.
Go secure.
Come around front. No, we're going to the front. In front of my car. I got right hand getting left here.
Left hand secure. Go ahead up.
Got him? Don't fucking move.
Here's cuffs.
You got him? Watch your hands. Watch your hands.
I got it. It's in the car. Secure.
Just keep your hands on that dashboard. Don't move it. Good. Good. All right. Bring him to me. Bring him to me. 1, 2, 3. Just watch your hands.
I got it. It's in the car. Secure.
Just keep your hands on that dashboard. Don't move it. Good. Good. All right. Bring him to me. Bring him to me. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Right in my car.
This could have been a potentially deadly situation. High-speed pursuits aren't just a danger to the driver, they put innocent lives at risk. Please remember that police chases are dangerous and unpredictable. 12 on scene does not support reckless driving or any other illegal actions. If you've enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please subscribe to support this channel.